Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Let me show you something. Here I have two servers. So this is my Windows Server 2025. The other one is Windows Server 2022. Right now I'm going to do these things inside my Windows Server 2025. And inside the Windows Server 2025, I have SQL Server 2025 installed. And in this video, I'm using Management Studio uh, version version of Management Studio 20.2. And well, I'm going to uh, the other thing is in this Windows Server 2022, I have installed SQL Server 2012, which is bit old. So I'm going to import data from SQL Server 2012 to uh, 2025. So here how I'm going to do that. So right click on uh, the server that you want to import the data. If you have a database, or just skip this step. So if you don't have a database, just create a new database like this. So I'm going to name it EMP data, and you can name it whatever you want. So then click OK. So it will create the database for this operation. So right click on that database and go to the task. Then uh, go to the import data. So then click on next. So it will ask you about the source of the data. So here we have a lot of data sources. For example, we have Microsoft Excel, we have like file source. So, but we are going to use Microsoft OLE DB Provider for SQL Server. So now it's asked the data source name. So I'm not recommend you to click on this drop down because it will take some time. Simply go to your whatever the data source that you have, that copy that name and paste it here, or else just simply type your SQL Server name here. Then uh, simply enter the your credentials, user credentials. Here I'm going to use that SA credentials, system administrator credentials, for these operations. So I'm going to insert my password here, and then it will show all the database that I have inside SQL Server 2012. So, oops, something wrong with the credentials. Now it should work. Yeah. So this is my data source. So as you can see here, so this is the my data source. Now I'm going to choose my data destinations. So it will load. Yeah. So here you can see as you see it before. So here also you can choose different destinations, but I'm going to do it in SQL Server. So I'm going to use Microsoft OLE DB Provider for SQL Server. Once you click that, so it will automatically take your server's name here. And what you have to do is you have to put SQL Server credentials here. Here my SQL Server credentials is set, and the password. So now it will ask choose a database. So I created this database before, so that is why I'm choosing it here. Or else simply you can create a new database, use this option. if you don't have a database. But I created the database before, so I'm going to use this empty database. It does not contain any table in it. So next, then choose these options, copy data from one or more table or view. So that is the options I'm going to use right now. So, and choose the all the table. If you want to select some specific table, you can do that as well. So here I'm going to uh, choose all the table that I have here, and sorry about that. And then I'm not going to do anything, edit mappings and things. So the next, run immediately, next, finish. So that's all. Once it's, you can see it's currently processing. So this is very small database, and it's only contain rows in the tables. So yeah, now it's being copied to all the data into this database. Yeah, that is all for now regarding data import to the SQL Server 2025. So I will do some other videos as well related to other data source. For example, we can import data from the text file. We can import data from Excel like this. Yeah, thank you for watching. And if you like my video, so you can like and you can do subscribe as well. Thank you guys. Bye.